Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you banana bread. It's so easy to make, it's very tasty and very delicious. To make our delicious banana bread, the ingredients I'm going to use, the dry ingredient will be 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon baking powder. For the wet ingredients, I'm going to use unsalted butter. It's a 8 tablespoon, half cup. You need the butter at room temperature, which is soft. You really don't need to melt the butter. 3/4 cup brown sugar and 2 eggs. To make it most delicious and moist banana bread, I'm going to share with you the bananas, which is really important. This is ripe banana, but you don't want to use these. You want the bananas like this, which is looking ugly, black, like this. This is totally ripe bananas. What basically you do, get the bananas and then leave it on a countertop for a couple days. Their skin looks ugly, but from inside they are ripe and they're full with sweetness. So we're going to use 4 bananas. And let's get started. Get a mixing bowl, 2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon baking powder. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, set it aside. Get another mixing bowl and we're going to get the bananas. We'll do the same thing with the rest. 2. This is the last one. So we have 4 bananas. With the help of fork, we're going to mash it. Mash the bananas really well. So this is looking perfect. Now set it aside and let's work on our wet ingredients. I'm going to use a mixture. I'll bring 2 eggs, butter, and brown sugar. So we're going to beat it really well. It's all done. Eggs and brown sugar and butter is nicely mixed. And now we're going to bring the banana. Mix it well. Once the banana is nicely combined, we're going to bring the flour. Now we're going to pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. This is a really important step. You don't want to mix it too much. We're just going to bring the flour from bottom and we're going to just mix it nicely. You don't want to overmix it. This is really important. Keep turning with one hand and keep folding and it will be nicely mixed. Now I'm going to bring the pan. If you have a metal pan, you can use that. If you have the glass pan, you can use that. Whatever you have available, you can use it. I'm going to use the silicone. I already oiled it and we're going to put some flour in it. Just like that. And we're going to make sure that it's nicely coated. The pot is greased and I added some flour. So it's fully nicely coated. So we're going to pour our mixture. So we're going to spread it evenly, just like that. Looking good. We're going to tap it. And now we're going to place this one in oven. I have oven preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 176 degrees Celsius. It's a 902. I'm going to place the banana bread for 1 hour. So be careful. It's hot. I'll open it and I'll place it right in the middle. At 10:02, 1 hour, it will be done. It's exactly 1 hour. I'm going to turn off the oven. And now we're going to open it. Be careful. Really hot. Get a toothpick and poke it inside and see if it's wet or clean. If it's dried, do it a couple places, just like that. It's perfectly good. It's looking perfect. We'll place it on a rack. We will let it cool down for 10 minutes, then we're going to take it out. Wait it for 10 minutes. It's still warm. And we can take it out. This is a good thing about the silicone, that you can take it out nicely. It comes out very nice and clean. Once you take it out, let it rest on cooling rack. If you have something like this for 5 minutes, then I'm going to cut it. Another 5 minutes, I'm going to cut it. Oh, look at this. It's nice and moist. Our banana bread is soft, moist, very nicely done. Please try it and you're going to like it. It's very delicious and it's super yum. And if you like this recipe, like always, please like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye. I love the side edges. Wow, it's so soft. So good.